Hi guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for tonight's video, I'm finally going to be playing around with this curling wand that I got in my Fabfitfun box. I think it was the December box or the summer box. I don't remember. It was last year, so it was 2020 that we got this curling wand, and I just haven't had a chance to play with it. I really rarely do my hair. I rarely do any heat styling to my hair just because I'm trying to get it to grow as long as I possibly can. And as you guys can tell, I recently just dyed it. So I got my hair done with my friend at the salon that she works at yesterday. So it's this really gorgeous green emerald color, and I really want to just style it today and see if I can create a really pretty beach wavy look with this curling wand. So here's a disclaimer before I start this video. I suck at doing my hair. There's a reason I buy wigs. There's a reason I never style my hair with heat. There's a reason I don't do anything, and I always get my best friend to do it for me because I suck at anything involving hair. I have zero patience, so let's see if I can curl my hair because I really don't know if I'll be able to. But I really wanted to test out this wand just because it's really nice. It's a really pretty color. It is the Foxybae Fabfitfun exclusive curling wand. So I believe you still can order this wand even if you're not a Fabfitfun subscriber. It has a pre-order on their website. It says that it retails for $99. So I don't have Fabfitfun anymore and I still can pre-order it. So I don't believe you have to be a Fabfitfun subscriber. I'm not too sure. You might be able to purchase this on other sites as well, but this is a stay ready and wavy with our exclusive Fabfitfun 25mm rose gold curling wand. This wand is perfect for effortless beach waves or glam curls with voluminous dimensions. This baby is made with our special rose gold tourmaline infused ceramic that increases shine and reduces frizz with 100 times more negative ions. The gentle nature of this gemstone helps prevent damage and promote your hair's overall health. Turn heads and break necks all day, every day with our most Insta-worthy wand yet. So this is what the wand looks like. Like I said, it retails for $99, so it's fairly affordable and it looks like it would be a decent wand. The only thing that I wish this wand came with was a heat styling glove, just because the other wands that I have tried in the past have come with those and they are really handy because I always burn my hands. That's another reason I never do my hair. So I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit. I'm going to section my hair and we can see if we can curl my hair. So obviously the first thing that I would suggest to do if you're going to style your hair with a heat product would be to use a heat protected spray or heat protective product. I don't have one. Apparently all of my heat protector products have run out. So I am just going to be using the Protect and Prevent spray. So this is not a heat protector, but this is a color treated hair protector. So I am going to use this on all of the parts that I curl, so my whole head. I don't have a heat protector one, so I'm just gonna have to live with it, but I would definitely suggest getting one before you curl your hair. I am going to try this wand out. Actually worked really well. Holy crap, that was really effortlessly. That curled really nice. The only thing that I would say that kind of sucks about this wand is the placement of the power on button. So because I'm curling my hair and I'm pressing in around that area, I did turn this wand off already once. So that is kind of a bad placement in my opinion. So I'm leaving it on for about 10 seconds and then pulling it off, and I'm getting these really pretty curls. So I'm going to obviously just throw on some music and let you guys watch me curl my hair, and then we will see what my hair looks like at the end. But so far it's working really well. So if I have any other thoughts that I want to share with you guys while I'm doing it, I'll obviously pop back in here. But for now, I'm just going to throw on some music, curl my hair, and we will see what my hair looks like at the end. So that is the first 2 layers done. So it is working really fast. It's working really efficiently. The curls are coming out really gorgeous. I've never had a curling wand that works this well with my hair. My hair tends to never ever curl, and I'm actually really impressed with how quick this is working and how pretty the curls look. So the only thing that I would suggest is if you're going to get a curling wand such as this, get a heat protective glove set, because I'm starting to burn my hands a little bit and it's kind of hurting my hands. So I would highly suggest getting some gloves to protect your hands a little bit. And if you wear acrylics, it does help a little bit, but make sure not to melt them because I'm kind of scared of doing that. So I'm gonna quickly finish up the last layer of my hair, so just the layer up here, and then I will come back and show you guys what my hair looks like all finished, and then we can spray it and we can kind of arrange it and style it a little bit, and then yeah. Alright, so I've officially finished curling my hair, so this is what my hair looks like when it's all done. So if you guys don't like the curls that I did today, just keep in mind, I suck at doing my hair. My hair looks really nice. It curled really well. It looks gorgeous with the hair color that I have now. So my girlfriend obviously did this really gorgeous green, so now I'm having mermaid vibes. I really like having my hair curled with this color. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous, especially with the blue ends. It's just super pretty. I do think that this wand curled really well. It curled really fast, and I don't mind these curls at all. I think they look really pretty. So I went with more of kind of like a beachy wave style curl, and if you wanted to do a glamorous curl, you definitely could. I just, like I said, I'm not very good at curling my hair, so this is as best as I could do. So just going off of their website, it says, Shine Tourmaline technology produces negative ions that combine with infrared properties, delivering silkier, smoother locks. Moisture ceramic tourmaline heats hair evenly from the inside out, locking in moisture and reducing frizz. Faster styling, the wand heats up quickly to the perfect temperature for healthy hairstyling. So there's nothing on this wand that indicates how hot this gets or lets you set the temperature, so it does get to 392 degrees. I just checked on Amazon. It doesn't actually say on the website how hot the wand gets, which is kind of weird and annoying. I wish they gave you the full information. You can't actually set the temperature of this wand, so this wand does get really hot really fast, and there's no way for you to set the temperature. So if you don't like wands where you can't set the temperature yourself, you probably won't like this wand, but I don't mind it. It got to 392 Fahrenheit, so that is very hot. So if you don't want to use that kind of heat on your hair, you may not like this wand, but I think it worked really great. Healthier hair, nanotechnology works to prevent bacterial growth for cleaner tresses. Smooth finish, negative ion properties, seals the cuticles, smoothing the hair surface for major bounce and shine. And it has a 360 swivel cord to professional length for flexibility in movement and worry-free styling. And like I said, it retails for $99. I do think that this wand worked really great. I'm really happy that I got it in a Fabfitfun box, and I'm happy to have it. I think my hair looks really awesome right now, and honestly, it's curled really fast. I probably was only doing this for about 15 minutes, and I got really pretty beach waves that are probably going to last most of the day. So this was just my first impressions of using this curling wand. I think this Foxybae curling wand worked really great. My hair looks really nice and it feels really nice, and I have no complaints about it. The only thing that I would suggest that the company fixes is maybe the placement of the on and off button. If it was up higher, it might be just a little bit easier. I just started curling my hair flipping it the other way, so I wasn't constantly pressing the button. I do wish that it did come with a temperature setting so that you could change it yourself, but other than that, I didn't really have any complaints with this wand. The only thing, like I said, I would suggest is getting heat protective gloves so you don't burn your hands. But other than that, this wand worked really well. I'm gonna continue using it. I think it was really awesome. It curled my hair really, really fast and effortlessly, and I have no complaints. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this. If you guys like this color of hair on me, let me know in the comments down below. Have a conversation with me. I love responding back to everybody. Please make sure to like this video. I'm having an issue lately with YouTube not registering my likes. I don't know what's going on with YouTube, but I'm having a hard time getting likes on my videos, and they'll appear and then all of a sudden they'll disappear. So I don't know what's going on with YouTube, but I'm getting really frustrated. So please like this video if you did enjoy it. Please subscribe if you like my content and you want to watch more of me. I have tons of hair videos, makeup videos, spooky stories that I read. So if you guys do like my content, please make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye!